To see all the games you have played on Roblox using the mobile app, iOS or Android, you can follow these steps. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your Roblox account. Now, once inside the Roblox, all you have to do is tap on the home page of your Roblox in the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like a home icon. And inside the home page, scroll down and look for the continue option available there. And simply tap on the continue. It will appear if you have an active session in a game if you have not fully exited. Now here you can see all your games option available you have recently played. The easiest way to see the games you have played on Roblox mobile is by checking the continue option. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.